Hi guys, how to download VLC Media Player on PC and laptop. So let's get started. Now, open your web browser, Chrome or Edge works great, and search for VLC Media Player. Then click the official website at videoland.org.0. Using the right site here saves you from fake download buttons and malware. Click the big Download VLC button on the homepage. Here is a common mistake. If your browser blocks the file, don't panic. Just click Download Verified File to safely start the process. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder in File Explorer and double-click the VLC installer file. This is the step most people rush through, so take your time. A pop-up will appear asking for your language. Select English or your preferred one and click OK. Super simple, but skipping this can cause weird menu text later. Click Next through the setup wizard. You can choose which components to install and pick a destination folder. Keep watching because the default settings work fine for most people. Finally, click Install to complete the process. That's it! You successfully installed VLC.